Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Prime Minister Modi inaugurates Defence Expo 2022 at Gandhinagar, says India's defence export has grown 8 times in the last 5 years. Mallikarjun Kharge wins Congress presidential election, set to become next president of the party. Bernard and Marak to contest 2023 assembly polls, says party leaders. And the Hill State People's Democratic Party announces candidature of Martel and Mukim from Mockenroe constituency for the 2023 assembly polls. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that New India is moving ahead with the mantra of intent, innovation and implementation in the defence sector while inaugurating the Defence Expo 2022 at Gandhinagar in Gujarat. Modi said, till 8 years ago, India was recognized as the world's largest defence importer, but New India showed intent, showed willpower, and Make in India is becoming a success story in the defence sector today.
ये देश का ऐसा पहला डिफेंस एक्सपो है जिसमें केवल भारतीय कंपनियां ही भाग ले रही हैं। केवल मेड इन इंडिया रक्षा उपकरण ही है। पहली बार किसी डिफेंस एक्सपो में भारत की मिट्टी से, भारत के लोगों के पसीने से बनी अनेक विध उत्पाद, हमारे ही देश की कंपनियां, हमारे वैज्ञानिक, हमारे युवाओं का सामर्थ्य आज हम लौह पुरुष सरदार पटेल की इस धरती से दुनिया के सामने हमारे सामर्थ्य का परिचय दे रहे हैं।
Mallikarjun Kharge won the Congress presidential election and is the next party chief. He garnered 7,897 votes, while his rival Shashi Tharoor got 1,000 votes. Meanwhile, Shashi Tharoor tweeted, "It is a great honor and responsibility to be the president of the National Congress. I would like to congratulate Mallikarjun Kharge on receiving this responsibility. Getting the support of over 1,000 members is also a huge success." Senior BJP leader and Pantharum Kra MLA A.L. Hek informed that the party's arrested State Vice President Bernard N. Marak, who is currently in judicial custody, will contest next year's assembly elections. Marak is the sitting GHADC member from South Tura. He, however, said that the BJP has not yet declared the name of its candidate for the South Tura seat. This development comes after Hek's visit to Marak's house and meetings held in the constituency.
We had convened the meeting of the South Tura seat and also the North Tura seats. It was very high perspective for the BJP, both the seats. And I met the family of, I went for dinner to the Bernard Marak's house. I discussed with the family and also giving some console to the family. See, he is just sitting MDC from the North Tura. See, now the BJP has not declared who will be contesting from which constituency, who will be the contesting as an official candidate of the BJP. So the matter is until unless the ticket is declared, we cannot say anything.
The Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP Mockenroe Circle on Tuesday unanimously decided to field sitting MDC of the party and veteran politician Martel N. Mukim from Mockenroe constituency in the upcoming 2023 assembly polls. The decision was taken during the meeting, which was attended by the party leaders, workers and supporters at Lad Kharang, Jongsha in East Khasi Hills. Mukim, who is also the former MLA, has been in active politics for over 50 years. While speaking on the occasion, Mukim said that he is happy that the party has reposed faith to contest the upcoming assembly polls.
Bangilait Banyakendo, Yao Chief Minister, John Kennedy Sarkar Kabamanta, Nami, Nagataka Kamra, Executive Member Kabangachong, Hakabakadon, Kadur, Jong Pachoy, Hapusak, Jongachong, Jonga.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, along with Nongstoin MLA Macmillan Bersat, launched several developmental schemes in a program organized by the Basin Development Unit, West Khasi Hills at New Nongstoin Playground. The scheme includes Focus Plus Scheme, National Rural Livelihood Mission (NRLM), Yes Meghalaya, distribution of piglets under progress, and launching of Rural Backyard Poultry Scheme.
Nokian Sports Club, Ramdarai, Youth Sports Social,
in terms of different technology, training, cooperative programs, different kind of investments that have to be made, this government has left no stone unturned to ensure that different investments, trainings and technologies are brought into the farming sector so that our people are able to increase their livelihood, are able to go to the next level and are able to increase their income on an annual basis.
The family members of former Chief Minister late E.K. Maolong, along with the people of Umroi constituency, commemorated his 14th death anniversary on Tuesday. A program was organized at Little Flower High Secondary School, Maubri, on the occasion to remember his contributions as an MLA of Umroi and as the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. During the program, a book authored by Maolong's son, late Ferdinand Lingdaw, about his father's political career was released, and meritorious students from the constituency were feted. Umroi MLA and Maolong's eldest son, George B. Lingdaw, in his address, remembered his father and shed light on the book that was released on the occasion. Panic gripped the residents of Polo area as an abandoned suitcase was found on the footpath. The state, which has witnessed a blast in the recent and also unsuccessful attempts in places like Kandailad, had all the reasons to be wary. The entire area was cordoned off and the bomb squad was rushed in, who, after close assessment, announced that there was no explosive in the suitcase. And a quick look at the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 23.6 degrees Celsius, the minimum 12.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning and evening was at 51%. The forecast: moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may view the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And another look at the headlines before we wind up. Prime Minister Modi inaugurates Defence Expo 2022 at Gandhinagar, says India's defence export has grown 8 times in the last 5 years. Mallikarjun Kharge wins Congress presidential election, set to become president of the party. Bernard and Marak to contest 2023 assembly polls, says party leaders. And the Hill State People's Democratic Party announces candidature of Martelin Mukim from Malkandro constituency for the 2023 assembly polls. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.